Hello, kids. How are you? I'm great, but I am a little hungry. Let's get some fruit.
Way up high in a tree, two little apples smiled at me, so I shook the tree as hard as I could. Down fell the apples, good. Way up high in a tree, two little apples smiled at me, so I shook the tree as hard as I could. Down fell the apples, good.
Do you want an apple? I have 2 apples. 1 apple for you. 1 apple for me. 1 apple for you. 1 apple for me. Yum, yum. I like big apples. And I like little apples. Please, let's open our books to page 62. Is this apple little or big? It's a little apple. Let's use our pencil and take the little apple to the big apple. Very good. Repeat, please. Little apple, big apple. This is not an apple. No. This is a... Is this a desk or a book? Yes, that's right. It's a book. This is a little book. Let's take the little book to the big book. Very well. Now I am not hungry. I am thirsty. Goop, goop, goop. Let's make some apple juice. We need 2 apples, 1 cup milk, 4 sugar tablespoons to mix. We can peel the apples with our mom and dad. We add the sugar to the pieces. Add the milk. Some ice if you want. And we mix it all together. We can filter the remains of the apple. Filter. Yummy. That was delicious. Thank you.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go. Goodbye, goodbye. I don't wanna go. See you later, alligator. Bye, 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 butterfly. Goodbye.
Bye bye.